scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Polar tangents look scary, but this one collapses fast once you use the slope formula and plug in theta equals pi correctly. For a polar curve, use x equals r cosine theta and y equals r sine theta. Then dy over dx equals dy d theta over dx d theta. Watch this. It organizes everything. Here, r equals theta squared, so dr d theta equals 2 theta. At theta equals pi, r becomes pi squared. Then substitute into the polar derivative expressions and simplify carefully. After cancellation, the tangent slope comes out to pi over 2, so the correct choice is option B. Nice! That finishes the computation cleanly. Well done! Option B! Scan now. The trap is sign mistakes or rushing. The rule is trust the given curve and check steps.